Vlogging YouTube, back with 2 more. No. Poor Upper Deck. How I miss you so. It's a nice one. 109 out of 250. These have got to be some of the best flags I've ever had in this stuff. I've never had this many good flags. Brett Favre. Oh, nice. That's a nice one. Damn. That's a nice one there. I love those. Deacon Jones, 27 out of 50. Nice. Those are nice there. I love that little plaque stuff. Well, damn. I'm telling you. 155 out of 250. The Moose. Look at that. These flags are on fire. I know they're just flags, but my goodness, they are nice. There you go. Bingo. Super Bowl champ, 266 out of 399. Hakeem the Dream Nicks. There you go. I'm telling you, these flags are ridiculous. Remember, was that? Yeah, that was you, Jay, when we pulled the Ben Roethlisberger and Bill Potter for like 40 bucks. It was like a flag. I told you I was uncomfortable selling it to him. Like, you know it's just a flag, right? Yes, I know. Like, are you sure it has no auto on it? Yeah, I'll give him that. It's not a real flag, right? Like no Patriot had it, right? I mean, it wasn't in the war. Like, yes, I know. Oh wow, yeah, all the QBs sell well. Wow, I'm telling you, something's wrong here. 145 out of 250. Bounty Gate Mojo. For the Broncos, Mr. Smith, 189 out of 399. Yes. Wow. 61 out of 250. Troy Aikman. No, I was just looking at that one. Just saying, these flag, I know I'm getting overrated with the flag patch. Sick. Damn it, I wish it was the patch one. But it's nice nonetheless. MJD acetate one. I like these cards. 31 out of 50. One off from being an eBay one. Nice. Blogging YouTube. We will be back. This case is looking beautiful.